Governor was pleased to give us an audience today. So the audience was utilized in the best interest of the state, and we have placed before him, before the Honorable Governor, our felt need on two things. One is, I will give you the text of the letter also, so that you will have it. One is in relation to ensure that there is an understanding for the justification of the demand for the implementation of inner line permit under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement it in the state of Meghalaya. This demand for ILP, which was spearheaded for a long time by some of the premier NGOs of the state, particularly the student bodies, have grown louder and louder after the enactment of the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act, as you all are aware. In fact, it became more intense, and the demand for ILP echoed from across the state, based on which, after an in-depth analysis, looking at the genuine apprehension of the people as they are anticipated to unfold after the Citizenship Amendment Act, you will remember that all the political parties in the August House in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly took a unanimous resolution, adopted a unanimous resolution to urge upon Government of India to include Meghalaya under the purview of the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 and implement ILP. Now it's pending. There was an assurance from the